Hey everyone, David Edgerton here. Recently, I helped a client lease his house over in the Washington Avenue Rice Military Memorial Park area here inside the Loop. And when I first started working with him, we needed to come up with a game plan in order to get it leased pretty fast. So, what we started to do was do a market analysis to compare his house to the other leased homes and other rentals out there. So we wanted to look at the average days on market, how long we could expect that the house would be sitting out there in order until we found someone. And then, of course, we wanted to compare the lease prices. We looked at the condition of other properties, the age, and of course, most importantly, the location. And we came up with a price that was a fair price. And our goal was to have it leased within 30 days to the best possible tenant out there. So, we wanted to price it fair, get it leased fast, so it wasn't sitting there vacant, losing money. So ultimately, when it came to the marketing of the property, the first thing that we knew is that we wanted to list this in the MLS, which basically means that we're saying to all the other realtors and brokers out there is that we'd love to work with any other realtor that has clients that are interested. So, the owner would be paying a finder's fee to any realtor bringing in a well qualified tenant. We also knew that we needed to have the listing show up on every single website out there, like HAR, Zillow, Trulia, Realtor.com, HotPads. We needed to make sure that the marketing was spot on. We wanted to make sure that there was professional photography, a really well written description that was really enticing. Something that we did differently on this property that we felt was really successful is that we included a 3D virtual tour. We used a 360 camera so someone can look up, down, all around. This virtual tour was displayed on all the best websites out there, so we know that the people were actually looking at it. We felt like this really saved a lot of time, and the home was only shown to people who were really interested. If they saw the tour and they scheduled a showing to see it, we felt like they weren't going to waste our time, and really it was the most interested people were only seeing the house. We didn't have a lot of looky-loos. Ultimately, at the end of the day, we were able to lease the property in 35 days, which is about half of the average. So we were able to get it leased fast and avoid vacancy. We had 3 offers all at the same time, so we had a multiple offer situation. We were able to choose the best tenant out there who was the most qualified, had the best income, the best credit, the best job, the best rental history. And ultimately, the landlord, my client, is very happy and pleased with how everything went down. So that's how we did it. If there's anything I can do for any of you, just please let me know. I'm more than happy to help. Thanks again. Have a great day. Bye bye.